At the end of last term, the secondary school teachers at Singapore International School Chiangmai welcomed the primary 6 students to gain experiences of what the next stage in their educational journey will be like. In our secondary school, we're proud to offer the world-renowned Cambridge IGCSE and A-level curriculum. This program is delivered by a team of highly experienced educators from around the world. Every teacher in our secondary department is an expert in their field, dedicated to providing in-depth instruction and supporting each and every student. Our school is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including modern science labs, with all the resources necessary to provide an in-depth study of chemistry, physics and biology. The school's educational resources are designed to nurture the scholar within each of our students, supporting the school's vision for each and every student to be a scholar, leader and global citizen. We believe a strong foundation in STEM education, science, technology, engineering and mathematics is essential for 21st century success. We also believe that education extends far beyond the classroom. In the secondary department, we deeply value global citizenship, and our curriculum ensures students build a strong foundation in history and geography. This helps them not only understand the world around them, but also appreciate diverse cultures, think critically about global issues, and develop a sense of empathy and responsibility for the world around them. Language acquisition is an essential component of our global citizenship program. Students study 3 languages daily: English, Thai and Chinese, under the guidance of specialist teachers. Beyond the traditional academics, SISB Chiangmai champions a holistic learning approach that recognizes the vital role of arts and music. Through arts and music, students learn to approach problems from new perspectives, express their ideas in original ways, and develop the ability to navigate a rapidly changing world. This creative mindset prepares them to be the innovators and leaders of tomorrow. At SISB, we don't just educate, we empower our students with the knowledge and the skills to thrive and succeed in this ever-changing world.